So I'm not sure whether I should do the Lost Woods or do the Fire Temple. I think I'm leaning more towards Lost Woods. I want to check it out. Yeah, I don't have any shrines or anything to do. I'm done with the sky area, right? I did the shrine. How many can I get upgrades? 2. No. What's this? Energy cell. Oh, that's the thing that carries me. Right there. Okay. Yeah. I think I'll do the Lost Woods. Yeah, I'll do that another day. This the shrine that's been there forever. The thing I wanted to look at since forever ago. What's the best way? I guess right here, right? Boom. Let's do it. Lake Saria. Nice. Mekar. Nice. Mido. Nice. Those are all references, past games, right?
I'd like to pause for a moment to thank today's sponsors, my personal music project, The Beyonders. Are you a fan of rock and roll? Do you like the music you hear throughout these episodes of Josh Abstract vs. Video Games? If yes, then you should check out The Beyonders. The Beyonders are a hard rock band that plays original music which mixes punk, blues, surf, ska, metal, and other influences from the rock genre. All of the music is composed, written, performed, and recorded by me. Please check out the links below in the description to listen to the Beyonders music for free.
Echo Chio Shrine. Sounds like Ed Cuchillo Shrine. Cuchillo is knife in Spanish. Is that my best stuff? I've been playing the other Zelda games, so it's been a couple weeks since I played this one. I'm only playing 2 games though, both the Zelda games, the 2 newest Zelda games, right? I'm only going back and forth between these 2. And then on my free time, I'm playing God of War Ragnarok. I already beat that game, it's fun. But, oh! But you're dead, and I broke my super strong sword on you. I'm used to Master Sword. Revitalized Sword of Legend. Yeah, oh, let's do some combat. I'm gonna grab these silent shrooms. Yeah, see, I'm good. Yeah, fight the Bokoblin. Kill him. Kill him! Come on, Turlin. Turlin. Oh, I thought he broke me. How dare you? Oh, he's carrying. Oh, that's good. Yeah, bees, get out of here. Get out of here. Yeah, God of War series are some of my favorite games. I've beaten all of them like 4 times. The first 5 games, like 4 times. Ascension, I think I only beat once or twice. Then God of War, the 2018 one, I've beaten twice now. And then I started playing Ragnarok Christmas. That's what I got for gaming. 2 years later, 2024, I got the game. And I beat it, and I think I'm going to complete that one, God of War Ragnarok. It's not that hard to complete. It tells you where you're missing your stuff, so... You know, it ain't too bad. Have I gone down this hole? Ooh, maybe I should go down this hole instead. It's been a while since I've been in the depth. Let's go. What is it? Minchie Woods Chasm. Let's check it out. That sounds so scary. I don't like the scary. It makes me scared. It's so scary. Okay. I don't... Oh, that's right. You're supposed to shoot these things, huh? The music is so good for the underground. It's like very simple, but it captures. Yeah, you're like 1,000 feet underground, dude. Oh, I got you. Poe. What's that? Oh, that looks cute. It's El Dorado. Oh, okay. I should probably make that way. But first, let's get the... Oh. Get the ones right in front of you, you know? Oh, am I wearing the best stuff? I got distracted. Okay, yeah, 12. That's right. My body part, 12, 8, 5. Yeah, and then I could just switch to this when I'm climbing. Go. Is that like a sky? It looks like it's just underground. It looks like clouds. That's cute. Okay, no enemies. Oh wow! Oh look. No enemies. Weird. Okay. Yeah, I don't want you fireflies anyway. There's so many Poes. I know I said it was gonna go behind me, but look at all the Poes. Look at all the fake fairies. Yeah, these are fake fairies. Ooh, bonfire? I can use those. One of my favorites, right? Twilight Princess status. Okay, a lot of gloom. A lot of gloom. No Poes. Okay, I see a lot of gloom. Let's see. Look at that. You just gotta do a little skip. Skip. Lot of gloom. Alright. Have I ever made like an airplane down here? I barely make airplanes on the surface. Let's see. I have a feeling there's gonna be a bad guy right here. No, please. Those things are so strong. I don't know how to defeat them. They saw me. Oh my god. No, let go. No, let go. No, I can't run. I'm so scared. I'm gonna cry for real. Okay. I don't want to fight them. Oh. Okay, I missed a lot. Oh, let's go. I'll fight you guys. Yeah, I can't be scared of everything. Josh. Come on. Don't be scared. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, yeah. No. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Oh, you're my zone. My zone. I earned it. Ooh, knight's bow. Let's get rid of. Oh. There we go. Oh my god. So much scariness. Oh, it looks like an evil smiling tree. That's cool. Looks like a person. I'm gonna shoot it right in its mouth. Look, you'll see what I'm saying. See the eyes? The eyes and the mouth. Wow, that's scary. No there's no Koroks under here, huh? They only reach the surface. Oh, okay, there's one there. Okay, I redeemed myself from almost crying like a little baby. Okay, I killed some skeleton moblins. Okay, I redeemed myself. See? See? The sun. Okay, so is it more magical to play video games in the daytime or nighttime? I like playing before the sun. Now the sun's coming up, so I don't need my light anymore. Nope, nope. Light root. Nope, nope. Yeah, use the force. Touch it. Touch it with the force. Oh, I wish I heard that sound when I was like falling asleep just over and over. Someone should make a video like that. But yeah, I think it's more magical to play video games in the morning. And yeah, that sounds very. I feel like I'm in a sauna. Someone's gonna massage my entire body with all kinds of different oils. That's what that sounds like. Sweet. But that's right, you don't get your hearts back. You just get. Is there any maps? So that's where I came from, right? Well, okay, now I should make my way back? Maybe? I kind of don't know which way to go. We'll go back towards the hole, right? And I know there's pose I'm missing. Obviously, with those gloom guys. They'll have that territory for now. Wait till I figure out how to kill them. Well, then they're gonna die. Okay, here's some ore. Cool. Which one's weakest? Oh, let's go. This is my breaking thing. Let's go. Zone 9. Did I get all of it? Alright, I did. Okay, I see a big Poe. See a guy giving me a sword. Not interested. Not interested. Dude, what are all these light things here? Oh, whoops, did I not attack it? Oh, there's just like a gaping hole. Oh. Not a gaping hole. Just a little normal hole. That did nothing, alright? Oh, let's go up here. That's to go back to the surface. I don't think I want to go to the surface yet. Look at all these ancient life forms that have been dead for who knows how long. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Ooh, someone broke this. Ooh. Oh! My TV cut out for like a second. I went back. You probably saw it in my glasses. Oh, TV, it's just gonna explode on me one day. I don't want to jinx it because it might happen. I don't want it to happen. Come on. Yes, relax me. Yes, relax. It just turned into a sauna. You just see a bunch of Korean ladies massaging you. Oh. Nice. Look, the balls going into the earth. Wow, that one light up way more than your brethren there. And brighten the surrounding areas. Cool. Yeah, I don't have gloom anymore. Thanks, though. Appreciate it. I do. Ah, I'm just kind of following the pose. Oh, look, another light route. We gotta brighten up the underground. You know what I'm saying? We gotta brighten up this place. Okay, a lot of gloom. Not a lot of enemies. None of those huge things that I'll take. Oh, here we go. Speaking of. Oh, scary tree. I didn't even see it. Okay, I'm probably being watched right now. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. No, you're not. See, like that. There we go. Let's go. I can do mountain horn. Yeah, you're dead. No. You're dead. Stay down. Sturdy with it? You know I like my sturdy stuff. You know I like my sturdy stuff. Oh, do all the trees have scary faces? Are they all like that? Oh, my mighty construct rose batty them. Why? No. Oh, there's another light bloomer. Oh, this is close. Where is it? Nice. I've never seen that. Do I not have a sword? Okay, blade. There we go. Never seen one of those. No. Sturdy stick, huh? Yeah, I don't like the two-handed stuff as much, so you're gonna just die there, stick. You're gonna die there. You're not a living thing anymore, but you're just gonna die there. Okay, I see a Poe way over there. Let's see. Oh, are you sad? Are you sad? Wait, no. Now I want you to do your gust. But now you won't do it. Skip. No. Shiznin light root. Okay, I'm gonna. Beautiful sounds, sauna sounds, please. Sounds like David Bowie's Moss Garden. It's a song, David Bowie, Heroes, Moss Garden. Oh, yeah. Yeah, 1977, January, something like that. That's when it came out. Something. Oh, yeah. Yes, I'm getting this area of the light, of the underground light route recovered. Thanks, Chairlin, for nothing. Look at this. Now you can kind of see what's going on. Now you can kind of see what's going on a little bit around this area. Okay, why is there a little dot in my map here? What's this? Oh, yeah, I'm not doing that yet. Come on. Where? There we go. There we go. Oh, I was gonna say, I don't see a lot of those underground flowers, I guess. Oh, here we go. Puffshroom. Puffshroom. I gotta use everything more. I gotta try it. Let's try everything. See? No. Are you eating a bright bean seed? How dare you? Everything's corrupted in the underground. I'm gonna grab this fake fairy. You look so much like a fairy, but you ain't. You wish you could be a fairy and heal me upon death. But you ain't healing nothing. Nothing. Poe. I see Quiche, my mortal enemies. Leave me alone, Quiche. Live and let live. See? See? Pose. Oh, what? Two? Yeah, the two. See? The gloom didn't affect me right there. Check. Okay. But my microphone wasn't working for a second there. Nice, I like the sword, but no thank you. Yeah, no thanks. Oh. Nice, I got snipers now. I got a couple sniper bows. I want my carrying capacity increased, you know what I'm saying? Okay, let's go here. Oh, nice. Didn't know there was a tree there. Everything's scary. I'm scared. And how these look like hands? Yeah, they look like skeleton hands. So cool. Scary. If I saw a tree like that, though, for real, I would be scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Ramobunuka's light root. What a crazy name. Oh, yes. Yes. Okay. It does sound like in Skyward Sword when you get those tears from the other realm, right? It does. It really does. Let's see what happens. I think I want to teleport to that first light route and go make my way backwards. Wow. Does it light up more like the more they're connected? You know what I mean? Like if they're touching each other? Because that's what it seems like here. Oh, look. I'm almost connecting. What's above me? Oh, I'm right under the Deku Forest. Maybe I should go there. So a little bit to my right. If I could just pop up in the Lost Woods, that'd be perfect. These bad guys. I want to fight them. I can't be so scared of fighting all the time. Not that I am. Oh, you saw me already? I will burn you, dude. Dead. Okay, I don't see you. Look how strong I am. Look how strong I am. Give me your Zonai. I ain't scared of nothing. It's Link. You have to have courage. You can't be scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. You can't be. See, sturdy long stick. See? I'll do that trade any day of the week. Okay. You want me to shoot you again? Oh, okay. That was a bad call. Bad call. Yeah, now give me your blew those off those horn. That's right. I got the other one, no? See? No, see? See. Easy. Boom. Boom. See? Whoops. Large Zonite. Zonite. Yeah, you see that spin little kick he does? That kick does like 3 damage. Does at least like 2 or 3 damage if you hit them right in the head. See? Okay, let's see. Can I get this one? Yeah. Link. Classic. Okay, where? Okay, it's right here. Is that the root of the great Deku tree? Yes, I'm not going back to where I came. This is more interesting now. Getting under the tree here. If I could just pop up inside the guts of the great Deku tree. He's like, oh, you're tickling me, Link. And then I go, yeah. Okay, do I have to climb this? What's going on? Okay, I don't want to fight again. I'll fight. Oh, there's gonna be a big bad guy in here. I could try it. There's a trail of bananas. I could use the Master Sword, and then for this, yeah, I could use my Night Spell. Night Spell, sweet. That's like Wind Waker status. Wind Waker status. Okay, I know it's a trap. But I want to do it. Let's go. Let's do it. Is it a Yuga person? Yiga. I am. Who would have left Presbyterian just lying around? Well, you walked right into our trap. Oh, right. Introductions. Listen and tremble in horror. Watch and quake with fear. For we are unstoppable force one to eliminate you and Princess Zelda 2, led by the indomitable Master Koga. We are the Yiga clan. Got it. And now, you have to pay the price of your foolishness. Let me introduce you to our debt collector. Born in the depths, lurking in the darkness of the forest Coliseum. Behold, the black Hinox. Let's go. Your life is ours. Okay, I was like, am I going to fight a swarm of them? Let's go. Let's do it. I got this. But I think I need to eat. Let me get some preparatories before. Let's see this. How many hearts? That heals a lot of hearts. Let's just get my health up a little bit. Toasty bright cap. Okay. Like that. And then once he hits me, inevitably he's gonna hit me. I will play defense. I have my fight combat pants. Nice, Julian. Let's do by strength. And then I could attach the stuff I like semi don't like these. Boom. And I think I'll use my strongest thing. Is that my strongest? The 37? 39. Let's go. Let's do it. Okay, run away. I got this. Do it, Julian. Shoot him right in the eye. Come on. Alright, damn, too close to shoot him in the eye. Hold on. There we go. Check this out. Nope, do spinning. Oh, you're done, dude. You're done, dude. Hey, Yiga guys. Why don't you come find me like a man? Huh? So I'm sending you forest monster. I mean, where's this stuff? Oh, okay. I was like, where did it all go? What's that black hit? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, 20 of... I don't even know what those are. Alright, cool. But I got 20 of them. It's not going to be like an outfit or something, I don't think. It's going to be something good, though. Oh my gosh. So they do have it in this game. Look at the sword. It's got like a thing floating inside the middle of it. Wow, that's cute. Wow, that's my new travel. That's my travel gear. In Breath of the Wild, that's what I always wore. Once they did the expansion and you could get it to find all the Koroks. Wow. Wow. I can't believe I did it. No. Oh, wow. Wow. That's awesome. The Korok mask, Makar, right? I'm so like in shock, like, wow. That's awesome. I did not think it was going to be that good. Okay, I think, wow. 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 Let me get these seeds. Seeds, they're not seeds. Maybe there are Koroks here. Korok Grove. Oh, there's a bunch of those little ones. Oh no. Come on, guys. I don't want to fight. No fight. No fight. I just want to collect bows. I'll kill you guys. I just killed a big old black Enoch. You know what I'm saying? No fight. No fight. No fight. No fight. There you go. Go away. Just let me collect my pose here. Okay. Wow. Wow, I'm still. I got the Korok mask, you know what I'm saying? Can I exit from here? Okay, I saw a question mark. I'll fight one thing if it's like pursuing me. I just did a big battle. Oh, bomb flower sheet. Yeah, there we go. See a bunch of pose. Wow. That's awesome. I was hoping there'd be something in this game. I was hoping it'd be like a little belt, a thing that attaches to your belt, and then it'll detect. That'd be cool, right? But it's a hat. That works too. I basically just always wear this except for when I'm in combat. Once I go into combat mode, boom, I switch out the hat. So I probably should have worn it a few seconds ago. Should probably just be wearing it underground. I do not think Koroks appear underground. I'm like 90% sure, right? We haven't even heard one, seen one at all. Underground. And that would make sense. They were only supposed to find land. Oh, I see a white moblin. I want that horn, though. That's the thing. I want moblin horn right now. Oh, I didn't see you. That's okay. That's fine. Oh, let me use my best way. Okay. Woo! You almost got me. Oh, what was that? Oh, I got hit with like a... Ow! What is going on? What was that? Wow. That's sweet. That was a pretty crazy battle. Now to lose this, but it came in good use right now. That was crazy. What was causing all those fires and everything? You know what I mean? Oh, there's someone that still wants to die. Yeah. I'm gonna save that one for like boss fights, you know. Okay. What else? Did I get all my loot? That seems like I should have got more, no? People were exploding and flying all over the place. Their loot went away. They evaporated from existence. Yeah, the underground's pretty good. Yeah, underground, I'm having fun with the underground right now. Okay? It's been a while, right? Been a while. It took me so long to even get to the underground, huh? Oh, here we go. Here's some stuff. There we go. Let me go. This is my I am the ruler of this platform. I gotta get out of here. I gotta get to the surface, Joe. Was I wearing the Zonite, the Makar the whole time? Oh man, that's funny. Oh, did I hit a perfume? I think so. Perfume. Don't be doing stuff like that. Okay, I'm just trying to find like a place to go up. Let's just see. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Well, that's fine. Because I know I've been to... This is the roots of the Great Deku. This gotta be. That's awesome. If it is. Right? Pretty key. Okay, let's see. Take me to the surface. Ah, see, it won't let you. It won't let you. Fine. But that's definitely the Great Deku. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. See? Yeah. Now we just gotta find a spot to go. Oh, whoops, I left the map. Perfect. That, yeah, I know I saw one of these. Okay, I'm going to the surface. Let's get out of here. Konus Asum Light. Let's get this pose. And then I'm going up. I'm going up. Oh, come on. Even you, little Poe. Like, thought you'd get away from me? The hat is gonna go crazy right when I go to the surface. Okay, there's some Poes. It's okay. That's okay. Oh, there's a lot of Poes right here. Easy. I don't have to jump around and fight anywhere. Fight anything. Oh, are those fireflies? Those are fireflies. I'm not interested in those. Wow, I was in the 400. Now I'm in the 500 with Poes. Wow, look at that. Okay, they're Poes. There was one firefly. Then. You threw me off, dude. Leave. Yeah, leave us. Leave us. Okay. Cool. Can I eat these seeds? Okay, you thought you were gonna get away from me, Poe? I saw you. I was just kidding earlier. No, I saw you. Boom, I got you. Okay, are there any? Okay, now I'm not. Any Poes? Are there any? Let's go. Let's go. We're going through. Oh yeah.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll see you next time.